Good morning and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction. We're filming live from the 2010 McCormick Place Boat and RV Show. I'm going to show you a 2010 Quailridge CLKD. First we'll have a look around the outside, then I'll give you a tour of the inside. It's a center loft, extra tall, built by Forest River. I'm in booth 4440 at the 2010 McCormick Place show. The factory wraps are here, and we have 3 park models. MSRP on this trailer is a mere $45,851.75. Come up here and see us, we'll do better than that. Got a sleeper sofa, ceiling fan in the living room, recliner, maple table and 4 chairs, maple interior, nice hutch, room for a big old flat screen TV. It's wired for stereo. There's the loft area. Beautiful plank wood linoleum in here. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 16 cubic foot fridge, composite sink with the high-rise faucet with sprayer, plenty of storage under here. Take you through the bathroom next. There's a little pantry here, pantry slash coat closet. You could put some shelves in there if you wanted to. Otherwise, just leave it as a coat closet. House type door. Next is the bathroom. You've got a tub and a shower. We're at the show, so we got the toilet seat duct taped down. Otherwise, kids think it's a restroom. There's your linen closet. A little dark in there, but I guess you can probably pick it up. Hello, YouTube. Another composite sink. You've got the medicine cabinet there. I'll show you around the master bedroom, and then we'll hit the loft. You got a ceiling fan in the master bedroom, his and hers wardrobe, chest of drawers, lights in both closets. Okay, this will be towards the end of our video. I'm going to take you up to the loft. Go up the stairs. There you have a nice big extra tall loft for storage, sleeping, for kids. This will conclude our tour. We are live from the 2010 McCormick RV and Boat Show. We're in booth 4440. I'm going to take you on a tour of the other couple trailers here too. Have a great day. Give us a call, 815-849-90.